Hello all, this is Chirag Thakkar from Smartways. Today our video is from the student's perspective. The topic is how to prepare for aptitude tests when you have very limited time in hand. Remember, it's a strategy to adopt only when you have limited time in your hand. What do I mean by aptitude tests? Tests such as CAT, CET, GRE, SAT, GMAT or bank examinations. In short, any tests that have sections like quant, verbal, logic, data interpretation, etc. So our strategy today is going to revolve around preparation for such tests. So the strategy that students generally follow when they prepare, when they have limited time in their hand, what they do is they will buy a book which is so huge. Now the initial mindset is obviously it's like a gym. Yes, I have bought this book, I want to start studying. However, after a couple of weeks of going to the gym, you stop going to the gym because your enthusiasm lowers. So the strategy here is once you buy this book, don't solve all sums from all the chapters. Just pick the first chapter. There are probably 300 sums in that chapter. Just solve 5 sums, 6 sums from that chapter. Finish that chapter. Which 6 sums? It could be 6 difficult looking sums from the latter part of the chapter because the difficulty level slowly and steadily increases. Obviously, you need to remember the formula first and then you solve only 5-6 sums. Move on to the next chapter. Move on to the next chapter. Finish all the chapters. I call this completion of one cycle. Does that mean you stop? No. You move on to the next cycle. Finish 3-4 such cycles and please prepare in this fashion because if you solve 300 sums per chapter, there are 2 probable outcomes. Either you will not reach the last chapter or once you reach the last chapter, you will forget what you had done in the first 2 chapters. Now, once you've solved a few cycles, move on to solving mock tests because it's imperative for you to solve mock tests without which your practice is not done. How do you solve mock tests? Solve one mock test, let's say it has 100 questions and in the given stipulated time, you have been able to solve only let's say 36 questions. Now remaining 64 questions are obviously unsolved. Once the test is over, please spend enough time in analyzing that test, what went wrong, why you couldn't figure out which were the easier questions. Spending time on analysis is more important than solving the test. So to put things in perspective, it's okay to solve 5 mock tests and analyzing them thoroughly rather than solving 25 mock tests without analysis. I hope I'm clear on this. If you feel that you have learned a lot from this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to talk on specific points, please mention those points in the comment section below. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular notifications on our videos. Thank you.